What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you another 3 free mint NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on, and I think actually one of them has a huge potential because that's not a degen mint. And before I'm going to show you the project, I just have to state something. As usual, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the first project that I'm keeping my eye on, it's called DRAKOZ free mint, and looks like it's gonna have 4,321 dragon egg, and at the time of recording this video they have almost 5,000 followers. Then they also have a alpha bot link. This is like a pre-mint link. You can try to apply or register for whitelist spot opportunity. And then if we scroll down, as you can see right here, this was posted on January 14 and it has a lot of engagement. I'm not entirely sure if this is to that alpha bot link, because looks like on that link you just have to like and retweet this tweet right here. Maybe there was one previously, but it's getting really good engagement on their Twitter post for that many subscribers. So this is one of them. Then the second one is called Sliced whitelist equal free mint, and this one is going to be minting on January 31st. Supply is 3,333, and then the mint time is 1:00 p.m. Eastern time. Also they have link to Alphabot to register for whitelist spot, and then they also have website, 8,000 followers. And then if we scroll down, if we look at this tweet, was posted 11 hours ago. It has 400 likes and 300 retweets. It's actually not bad for the amount of followers, and since it's not that hype, it's still getting good engagement. And like this one right here actually got 3,000 likes and 3,000 retweets. But again, I think this one is due to pre-mint link, because most of the time part of the requirement is actually to like and retweet one of their Twitter posts. So this is another one. I think it has a good potential. And the last one, it's called MELTDOWN. So I think MELTDOWN has a huge opportunity because this is not a degen mint, and if I'm not mistaken, they're actually building actual video game or metaverse or something like that. They had a mint a few weeks ago and something happened. Somebody sold something too early or too expensive, I don't remember, and basically they didn't mint out. They only mint like 700 NFTs and the entire supply is 3,000. So they stopped the mint, and what they did, they actually refund everybody who minted and who actually purchased on secondary market on OpenSea. So they took a snapshot and you could claim your refund. And then they turned this project into a free mint. So it was 0.1 or 10%, and now it's a free mint. So they're going to be minting on January 30th. And then if you would like to give it a try, you still have opportunity. You can press on this link and apply here. This is just a form. Also, you can join their Discord, and then you can take a look at their link tree. They have a lot of information. They have a website and all that stuff on there. And if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting decent interaction. Actually, I would say pretty good interaction on their Twitter posts. And then if we scroll down again, like this one was posted 11 hours ago and it has almost 300 likes and 240 retweets. So I think this project has a huge potential. It's just because this is not a degen mint. They are keep building, and they already proven themselves that they're not here just for the cash grab, but they're here for the long term. So I think this project, if you can get a whitelist spot mint, either you can flip or you can hold and see where this project is gonna go. And this is pretty much it. All the projects that I show you, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.